Today I'll be showing you how to set up a mobile hotspot on your PC. First, you're going to want to open up your settings. After you've opened that up, you're going to find a button saying Network and Internet. Just click that. On your left, you're going to find a couple of tabs, one of which is named Mobile Hotspot. Click that. Here you're going to have a button showing to open your mobile hotspot or to close it. Or you can share your internet from Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and you can share your connection over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. So here I'm going to change the name of my mobile hotspot. I'm going to call it, let's say, Computer Life Hacks. And I'll just choose a random password, let's say poopy123, I don't know. Okay, after I finished my password, I'm just going to go ahead and click Save. There I have it, and basically it's all set up. Now I'm just going to press the on button and go onto my iPad and show you guys how to connect. Okay guys, so now I'm on my iPad, and here we see the Computer Life Hacks Internet. I'm going to press that and put in the password that we set, just the password, and click Join. Here it's connecting, and we've successfully connected. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe to Authentic. He's our thumbnail maker, and his thumbnails are pretty fire, so go check his channel out.